We've been on the land and we've been out here for a long, long time. You're out here and just feel at peace. You feel at ease. In order to be comfortable out here, you have to be prepared. You need to have a good, efficient home built from the frame up. A lot of houses don't have that. It's the small things where you're really losing a lot of energy just from your home not being up to par.
I was born and raised in Moose Factory. It's a beautiful place to live. There's a lot of challenges, though. Housing has always been an issue. There's a history of contractors coming up and building things that wouldn't fly in other parts of Canada. We're hoping that we can get smarter about how we use energy here.
Yeah, I don't think it's this one. I think it's the next one. Yeah, it's the next one.
Across Moosonee and here on the island, we've retrofitted about 300 homes.
It's an awesome opportunity. They come in and inspect your house and give you tips and show you what you can save energy on. I never really thought about like energy saving light bulbs or stuff like that. I kind of just bought, the cheapest kind.
So we have here 25 light bulbs, tank wrap, power bar with a timer. We deliver a box of basic measures, which is light bulbs, tank wrap, pipe wrap, shower heads, aerators for the kitchen, the washroom, things like that.
It's very beneficial to us to live up here because we're an isolated community. I think it would be good for especially low-income families to have this type of program.
A few years ago, the bills were always like over 500. It was just crazy. I couldn't keep up. And they filled the attic. They inspected underneath to make sure it was insulated. Went around and caulked the windows and the door frames. And they wrapped my hot water tank. So right now it's pretty good. I think it'll take time. I think that's all it needs is just time for people to take that initiative to save energy.
The appliances, a lot of them are like 20, 30 years old, so they take up a lot of energy. So we'll bring in the new one, take the old one out.
It's the first time everybody ever gave me anything for nothing. So I really appreciate this program.
It helps them out. I like having that interaction. Thanks again.
Thank you.
I enjoy giving the service I myself would want. That's how I was raised, and I wouldn't want it any other way.
Hi. How you doing there, buddy? Not bad?
It's more than just about light bulbs. This is one step in a process. The big impact will hopefully be in the conversations that have circulated around conservation of energy. If we can collaboratively move things along in achieving energy security and creating a more resilient community, then I think we're on the right path.